Morning gang, we are so back. Again, if you've been following, thank you. If you're new here, we are on a mission to make as much money as we can without working a job, a 9 to 5 or having a boss. I'm about 6 weeks in, I've made about £1,500, basically just from reselling. But I've got a lot of ideas. Reselling's just like, oh, camera looks a bit weird. Reselling is just something I knew was going to work well, and I can get cheap inventory. I've got a lot of free inventory as well. Today is a different day. I am up. I've been up since 5, but I'm going to the gym for the first time in like 3 months. When I was in Australia, you would have heard me before, I fractured my skull. After I did that, I got really fit, lost a lot of weight, and I looked the best that I've ever looked. And then when I left Australia, I went travelling to 15 countries, which if you like travelling or you want to watch what I got up to or to give yourself some inspiration, go back through my channel and you can watch every place that I went. That's when I tried doing YouTube to see if I can make it work to have it as another income stream. I get paid on TikTok, again, linked in the bio if you want to follow me on there, it'd be really handy. I also get paid a little bit on Facebook, but both of them, they are not a full-time wage at all. The most I've ever earned in a month on TikTok was about 60 quid, and on Facebook was 40 quid, but realistically most months are like £20 on TikTok, probably 6 quid on Facebook. I just had a few okay months. So yeah, that's why I'm trying YouTube, and I started when I was traveling because I had a lot that I could talk about, what I was doing. I thought it'd be quite fun, but a lot of the videos didn't do that well. I'm getting a lot more watch time on this, so clearly people are interested, or they're in the same boat as me and they're typing into YouTube, how can I make money from £0? And if that is you and you're following, drop me a comment and let me know if I've helped you so far. If you've taken any inspiration from me, any ideas, I'd love to know. And if you've got any tips for me, again, please just send me a comment. But yeah, this morning I've got like, I can't remember, maybe 10 or 11 parcels. I actually did really well yesterday. A lot of my higher price stuff was selling, and I do have some tips that I'm going to tell you later. So hopefully if you're doing the same, it will help you. So I'm going to go post these, and then I'm going straight to the gym. So yeah, I'm probably going to be aching for the next few days because I've taken quite a bit of time off. I'm going to weigh myself if they've got a scale and see what I weigh at now, and then each day when I go to the gym I'll tell you what I'm doing, what weight I've got to, what I eat, and I can give you tips to lose weight and get bulky, get muscly. If I can do it from where I was before to where I am now. I'm not in the best shape right now, but I will be. Fucking will be. I am an animal when it comes to my mindset. I can do whatever I want, and I believe in myself, so you can too. Just takes a little bit, well, consistency is the main thing. Even if you're consistent, but you let's say you're a bit tired one day and you turn up to the gym still, it's consistency. You might not push as much weight or do as much as you would on a normal week because you're a bit tired or whatever, but it's just that point of turning up and making sure that you eat right. Just always being consistent, kind of sticking to your diet as much as you can, and it will work. Right, I'm at the garage, go post my stuff, and then gym. Here we go, sports fans. Back at my best friend, the parcel machine. That's the gym done and my steps done. Actually quite happy that I managed to do it. Fucking last night I tried to go to sleep at about 10 because I wanted to get up at about 6 so I could just get the gym done real early. Couldn't sleep until past midnight, and I woke up at 5. I had no sleep. So I got up, smashed the gym, did my steps. I was there for like just over 2 hours. Came back and I was fucking shattered, so I actually had a nap. But I'm gonna go over my list with you. I've got OCD. And I've only had it since I fractured my skull, and I don't know if it's a side of, I have no fucking idea, but I was never like this before. Anyway, I'll show you sort of what I'm doing. So, This is my weekly routine. It tells me what sort of gym activity I'm doing on the day, and then I know what I'm doing when I go there because I've done it loads. Then my routine. So first thing in the morning is I check my social media, reply to comments. I upload one of my drafts because I always have enough just to post it. Let it do its thing. Get my sales ready. Take some creatine. Go to post my sales. Go to the gym. Get home. Eat my breakfast. Then I'll list items, delete and relist. Then I'll have my lunch because I need to get my protein. Make some reels. Make YouTube, which I'm currently doing now. Then have my dinner, get more protein, do some research, and I'll go over that in a second. And then I have my protein dessert, so I get all my protein for the day. And then on Mondays, if I want to, I can go charity shops or just ask for free stuff. Same with this day. Wednesday usually is like a Birmingham day. Thursdays are car boots, but it's terrible. But I'm hoping that I can sell at a car boot this week. And then again, there's nothing on a Friday. Saturday, Sundays, car boots. Now, I need to keep up with my reels for TikTok, Instagram, YouTube and stuff like that. So these are just ideas that I've got that I'm going to be doing coming up. Some things are easy, like I can do all these 5 things now. They're easy to do. But things like trial the car boots and trial the charity shops in Kettering or Wellingborough. It's like a 35-minute drive and I know it's going to be shit, but I have to go and see because if I can pick up some stuff and it's close, then perfect. It's closer than me going to Birmingham, but I just don't know if it's going to be any good because all of them I go to lately is shit. Things to do, research stock. So what I want to do is I want to go through eBay, make searches so that when I go on it, I can just click it. You know, rather than me typing it in and doing it all the time, figuring out what actually is really good and what sells at a high price. So if I find it, I can get it myself. Look for stock. I've got ways here that I'm going to do it. Social media, okay, so I need to keep planning my YouTube and stuff, reels, Facebook posts, all that stuff's normal. Trial new apps. I want to sell stuff on Music Magpie. I want to use World of Books. Free Cycle, I want to collect some stuff, but at the minute when I've been looking, it's all just small. Do more research into what apps I can get, and I want to buy from Vinted and sell on Vinted as well. Video ideas, find a new stock. I want to try and get an abandoned locker and bid on it, or do a bidding in an auction. Because whatever I can trial, I will trial. Reselling, this is what I do every single day. I need to still figure out if my bundles that I've made are going to sell. If they do, I'll make a lot more and then that'll get rid of a lot of stock. Gym, I just need to do a little bit more research because last time I went, I was losing weight. I was gaining muscle. I was staying at the same weight, which is fine. It was like body recomposition. But I want to bulk more. So I'm just going to have a little research. And car boots, blah, blah, blah. So I forgot to video quite a bit yesterday. I will show you some stuff that I actually got. Get this box out. So I got given this for free. And I was actually having a little look and it's not so bad. Start with these. I didn't get these for free. These are my old games, but there's nothing in them. Like the game isn't there, but everything is except the game. And they're selling online, so I've listed it. Why not? Someone gave me this really cool clock and they've been selling, so perfect, list it. This is what I got from Bradford when I opened that case thing, and these are selling for like 12 quid and this exact one, so I've just listed it. Again, donated this. Brass tea kettle things, they've been selling. That was another thing I got with that, and this exact thing was selling for 7 quid, which is mental, and recently. If I can sell that for 17 when I spent, I think like £6 or £7 on these two, I'll be absolutely buzzing. This little like cool trinket set, it's quite heavy, it's nice. So I've listed that. This hat I had actually last week. And this alabaster ashtray, they're selling and going quite well. So like, these are the 3 things that I like pick up. And, you know, they're pretty good. Some things aren't that great. I've got a lot more stuff downstairs. I've actually organised all of my stuff for a car boot. It's all downstairs now. I will show you that shortly. I've got it all organised and ready to go. I'm just hoping that the weather's okay. I've only had one sale today. It was on eBay and it was 5 Carl Pilkington books. And I don't know about any of you resellers, but do you own something that you actually don't really want to give away? Because that's it for me. I love the bloke, but it's unnecessary to me. Has to go. Got £9 for 5 books, I'll take that. But now I'm gonna delete and relist loads of items. I might even do a few on eBay because I haven't got anything to list and I want to be consistent uploading some in every day. So I might delete some in, then relist it just to stay consistent. But yeah, that's where I'm up to at the moment. Okay, this is all the organised car boot stuff that I've got for free, and I'll quickly just show you some of it. Got this TV speaker and a sound bar. Underneath here, some massive, really cool like china pots. I did look online and I would like to sell them online, but I feel like they'll just break in the post, so I don't really want to do it. Some nice little sherry glasses. Again, lots more like china and cool little pots. Camcorder, random bits in here. A printer, lots of clothes, lots of old VHS and a Wii game. Clothes, there's a baking thing. Can't think what the word is, but it makes the bread. Loads of clothes in here. The bag's massive. 2 suitcases full of clothes and a fridge. Like I've said before, when you're starting, it might seem a little bit awkward to do it, but if you make some posts on Facebook, anyone getting rid of free stuff, look on Facebook groups, look on Facebook Marketplace, just type in free stuff. A lot of people are moving house and they don't want to take stuff with them. They're just going to tip it themselves. So it's a good way to help them out. It helps you out as well. And yeah, that's how you can get some stuff. I obviously emptied all of my attic and stuff, which you've seen before. So that's where I got a lot of stuff from. But yeah, honestly, just make some posts. It might seem a little bit weird doing it, but once one person replies and you get some stuff, you'll realise it's a great way to go. One of the things I had on my list that I said that I wanted to try was World of Books. I've been told this quite a few times on TikTok, and now I completely understand why. I went down and looked at some of the car boot stuff again. I realised there were some CDs and things, so I wanted to just quickly look what you'd get. So I'll show you here. So these here, just this, I've listed it, and I would get £4.60. Now bear that in mind, all of this was given to me for free. So £4.60 is actually decent. Like, I'm never going to sell the books or any of this at a car boot. I mean, no one really wants these on a Wii. I've looked on them, they're pointless. So this book on its own was 60p, and I was given it. So there's £4.65, I think it was there. I can just package that up now. That's a free £4.60. But I'm actually just going to keep hold of it. I'm going to try and get hold of a lot more stuff because I'm picking up some more free stuff soon. Hopefully there's some more bits in it, sell it, maybe get a tenner. But it's free, completely easy to do. If you've got books at home that you don't need, go on World of Books. CDs, you can do that, or go on Music Magpie. They do accept games and DVDs as well, but you don't get a lot for the DVDs. And a lot of the DVDs, it says on there that they've got too many. They don't take the stock. So it's another way you can make money. Honestly, we are going to win, gang. Honestly, if you're following this and you are trying to make money, that is free. Do that. So yeah, I've deleted and relisted a few items. I'm actually going to do a few more now because I've got no stock to list because I was away for 10 days. But what I'll get you to do is follow me, please. Please subscribe. Please leave me some comments, like, all of that stuff. Tomorrow, I'm going to get up early. I'm going to go to the gym. And then I'm going to come back home, get ready, and I'm going to Birmingham. I'm going to go back to Sound for a Pound, try and get some stock. Because normally I'd go on Thursday to a car boot, but because Thursdays are terrible, if the weather's good, I'm going to sell at the car boot. So tomorrow you can see me collect some stuff. The next day you can see me do a car boot. The stuff I collect tomorrow should hopefully get me through uploading and listing each day until Saturday. And then Saturday and Sunday I'll be going to car boots. So yeah, again, thank you for watching. Drop me another comment, tell me I'm a twat, or tell me that I'm doing a good job, whatever. And I'll see you on the next one, gang, and we will go to Birmingham together.